In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write fractions Notion. If you work with math, formulas, or structured notes, knowing how to properly display fractions in Notion can make your pages much clearer and more professional. Notion allows you to present mathematical symbols, expressions, and equations in a clean and readable way, which is especially helpful for note-taking, technical documentation, homework, or any situation where fractions need to be easy to understand at a glance. To get started, open any Notion page where you want to write a fraction. When you begin a new line and type /math, Notion will give you two options to choose from: block equation and inline equation. Both options allow you to write fractions, but they are used in slightly different ways depending on how you want your content to look. The block equation creates a standalone equation that takes up its own block on the page. It appears centered and separate from your regular text, which makes it ideal for highlighting formulas or equations you want to stand out. Once you select block equation, an equation input box will appear where you can type the fraction syntax. Whether you are using a block equation or an inline equation, the syntax for writing a fraction stays the same. You start by typing \frac, followed by a space. Then you add an opening curly bracket, type the numerator, and close the curly bracket. After that, add another opening curly bracket, type the denominator, and close the curly bracket. Once entered, Notion automatically converts this syntax into a properly formatted fraction. Now let's talk about the inline equation. An inline equation allows you to place fractions directly within a sentence or alongside regular text. This is useful when you want to explain a concept and include a fraction without breaking the flow of your paragraph. Inline equations blend seamlessly with your writing, making your notes easier to read and understand. There are a couple of quick ways to insert an inline equation. One option is using a keyboard shortcut. On Windows, press Ctrl-Shift-E. On Mac, press Command-Shift-E. Another option is to wrap your equation syntax between double dollar signs on each side. Once you do that, Notion will automatically recognize it as an inline equation and format the fraction correctly. With these tools, you can choose whether to highlight fractions as standalone equations or smoothly integrate them into your text. This flexibility makes Notion a powerful tool for anyone working with math or structured content, and that's all there is to it. Writing fractions in Notion is simple once you understand the equation options and syntax. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.